Maths Guru channel. Actually, I have completed first 6 chapters, 1 to 6 chapters of ninth class. Successfully, I have completed. Now, I am going to explain chapter 7, that is triangles. Okay. In this video, I am going to explain what is congruent, means what is the definition of triangle, and what is the congruent line segments, okay, and what are the congruent angles. These three small topics I am going to explain. First of all, what is triangle? What is triangle? Okay. Triangle is a simple closed figure formed by 3 line segments. Simple closed figure formed by 3 line segments. Okay. It is a simple closed figure formed by 3 line segments. 3 line segments. Okay, this is the small definition of triangle. So, here I am drawing the figure of triangle. See here, this is the triangle ABC. See, 3 line segments. AB is 1 line segment, BC and AC. These are the 3 line segments. Okay. Next, if the length of 2 line segments are equal, then they are congruent. Okay. If 2 lengths of line segments, if 2 line segments length also we can write, if 2 line segments length equal, then they are congruent. They are congruent. Okay. Now see, I am showing if any 2 line segments, which are having same length. Suppose first line segment having 3 centimeter and the second line segment also having 3 centimeter, then we can say CD I am taking 3 centimeter same. Okay, CD. Okay, these 2 line segments having same length, so we can call these 2 line segments are congruent line segments. Okay, so congruent symbol is denoted by like this. This we can call symbol of congruent. Okay, so AB line segment, AB is congruent to CD line segment. This is the symbol of line segment. Okay, line segment should have 2 end points. Okay, AB line segment is congruent to CD line segment. Why we are seeing these are 2 congruent line segments? Why? Because they are having same length, 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Which are not congruent, that also I will show you. Suppose PQ, which is 5 centimeters, and suppose RS 2 centimeters. See, can we say these 2 line segments are congruent line segments? No. Why? Because they are not having same length. Okay. So, PQ is not congruent RS line segment. This is the symbol of not congruent. This is the symbol of not congruent. Why? Why? Because they are having different length. PQ having 5 centimeter, RS having 2 centimeters. So, those are not congruent line segments. This is a small topic about line segments, congruent line segments. Now, next is 2 angles congruent if their angle measure is same. If any 2 angles measure is same, then we can call those 2 angles are congruent angles. Okay, that also I will show you. If angles are same. Okay. If two angles are congruent, if their angle measure is same. If two angles are congruent, their angle measure is same. Angle measure is same. How it can? Okay, very simple. Just I am taking two angles. Okay, this is right angle PQR. One more angle I am taking. This is also same right angle, 90 degrees. 90 degrees ABC. Okay, now we can say that these two angles are congruent angles. Why? Because they are having same measure, 90 degrees and 90 degrees. So we can write as angle PQR. Angle PQR is congruent to angle ABC. Angle ABC. Okay, this. Next, which are not congruent? That also I will show you. The angles which are not congruent. See. AOB. Suppose SPR. Just see. These two angles are not congruent. Why? Because this is acute angle. Acute angle. This is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Not equal. Acute in the sense in between range 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Range between 0 to 90 acute angle. But obtuse angle more than 180. Obtuse angle means range 90 to 180 degrees range. So those are not equal. Okay, so these are not congruent. These angles are not congruent. Angle AOB is not congruent to angle SPR. Okay, this is congruent angles, this is not congruent angles. Okay, if two angles are congruent, their angle measure is same. Here same means congruent, here not same, so not congruent. Okay, I hope you understood this small topic. Okay, thank you.